Are you struggling to create impressive videos using AI video makers? Look no further. In this video, we will share essential tips and tricks that will help you master the art of video creation with AI video makers. Get ready to take your video editing skills to the next level. The first tip in mastering AI video makers is to choose the right one for your needs. In this scene, we will explore different AI video makers available in the market and discuss their features and benefits. We will also provide insights on which one is best suited for specific types of video projects. Once you have selected an AI video maker, it's crucial to understand its user interface. In this scene, we will walk you through the different tools, menus, and options available in popular AI video makers. You will learn how to navigate the interface efficiently and maximize your productivity. One of the key advantages of AI video makers is their ability to automate various tasks. In this scene, we will demonstrate how AI can help you in different aspects of video creation, such as auto-generating captions, suggesting relevant visuals, and enhancing the overall editing process. You will be amazed by the time-saving capabilities of AI technology. To create professional-looking videos, it's essential to optimize the output settings of your AI video maker. In this scene, we will share tips on selecting the right video format, resolution, aspect ratio, and other crucial settings for different platforms and devices. You will learn how to ensure the best viewing experience for your audience. In this scene, we will dive into advanced editing techniques that will take your videos to the next level. From adding stunning effects and transitions to applying color grading and audio enhancements, you will discover a range of techniques to make your videos visually appealing and captivating. Get ready to unleash your creativity. Congratulations! You have now learned essential tips and tricks for mastering AI video makers. With the right knowledge and skills, you can create professional quality videos that will leave a lasting impression on your audience. Start implementing these tips today and elevate your video creation game.